Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share 3 easy steps to make your kids a guaranteed millionaire if the world doesn't end or the stock market disappears. Proverbs 13:22 says, "A good man leaveth inheritance to his children's children. The wealth of the sinner is laid up for the just." So in other words, we shouldn't leave wealth just for our kids, but also their kids. Let's get straight to the 3 steps. Step number 1. When your kids are born, immediately put $1,000 to their investment account, like Charles Schwab, Fidelity, and Vanguard, etc. And if you can invest more, I would do so, because I'm going to show you how it's going to compound later. Step number 2, put $100 in every month, and you can invest in something that tracks the S&P 500, like VOO, or SPY, SPY, etc. These are ETFs that has a historical average of 7 to 10% per year. Step number 3, for every Christmas, birthday, New Year's, any celebration where you give your kids money, put an extra $50 or more into their investing account. If you're consistent, by the time they turn 18, they're going to have approximately $60,000 or more if you invest the birthday money, Christmas money, etc. in their account. This is where things get interesting. If they never put another dollar into the account, by the time they turn 65, they're going to have around $5.5 million because of compound interest. This is how you can make your kids a guaranteed millionaire. Comment more if you want to learn more financial education. Let's level up by subscribing, liking, sharing, and remember, for His glory, peace.